Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram search history. Very easy, very simple. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile image. Then you want to go on the top where is the 3 straight lines button. Okay, you click on it. Then next step is to click on settings and privacy, the first option. Then you want to click on account center. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on your information and permissions. I understand Facebook did it so complicated. It's not as easy as if you try to do the same thing on Facebook. Now when you're on this menu, your information and permissions, you have to click on search history, the third option over here. So the main point over here is that by default, if you don't do anything about it, Instagram will keep your search history. And your Instagram search history will be stored for only 30 days period, which if you search a lot of things might not be a big issue for you because every 30 days you got automatic restart. But if you want to delete a particular time frame, as you can see over here, you can actually select manually between 3 days, 7 days and 14 days. This means that after 3 days, your history will be automatically deleted. After 7 days will be automatically deleted and 14 days. So this is how you can go about it. Or you can actually manually go back right over here and you click on the plus blue button which says clear all searches. And you can do that by clearing for the last hour, clearing yesterday and clearing all time. So you want to make sure what exactly you're trying to achieve. Do you want to delete some recent searches or search queries? Do you want to delete something that is, in the period of a week or two? And do you want to delete absolutely everything? Do you want to start from scratch? You want to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.